Real drills. Real drills. Real drills. It's a real drill. Don't ask me what I'm doing. I'm committing real drills. That's what we doing. Real drills. Real fucking drills. We pull up, we getting shit out the way. Real drills. It's called real. It's go deep as. Just broken the vending machine. The coins, it was a couple dollars in here. You feel me? It's a bill acceptor. You probably ain't seen it, you know. But it's definitely a bill acceptor. That's where the coin was at. We got a couple dollars out of here though. It was a couple dollars in here. This late though. This late footage. This John, go back right here. And it accepts money still. You get what I'm saying? So you know it's a go. This right here, you want to check out this coin mechanism. There's some coins in here. Let them know we did strike some coins. You feel me? So you see that. Now we finna do some maintenance on this joint and give it what it actually needs. You feel me? And this will be up and running. Hey, this will be up and running in no time. Real drills. We getting it open. We got a vending machine. That was free. Open that motherfucker up, Jack. What they on with us? Woo! Hold on. Hold this, big fella. Real drills.
Evaporated out the can. I ain't never seen that. Look, evaporated out the can.
Hold on, bro.
Real drills. 2,000 on that bitch.
Big fella machine.
Can't reset it.
Real drills. Come on, man. Real fucking drills, man.
Hey, you complain, that bitch.
I ain't playing.
Give my dollar back. Come
What's
on.
in here, man? Real drills, man.
Give my $1 back.
Where real drills at? Hold on. It ain't plugged up yet. Give me a little plug. Give me a little electricity, okay? We finna plug this joint up. We still got change. We must get the change. You see that right there? We coming for that too. We ain't leaving that hanging, boy. That's what I tell him. We ain't playing. Legal trapping at his back.
Right to the store. I need ginger ale now.
That's what they hit. What? 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 Fucking change, Jack.
Oh, shit, right.
And that bitch still get cold.
It's cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Say it again. It's cold in that motherfucker? We just hit a real lick. Come on, Jack. Come on, man. It ain't never easy and cheap. It's never easy and cheap. I'm on the coins right here, Jack. It's never easy and cheesy. Free money off real drills. Real drills. Man, look at that. They light up. So you know, let's try this. No, it works. What'd he say? Let's show them that it worked though, folks. So they don't think we out here just capping. Like them niggas going to go pick up metal. Them metal picking up ass niggas. How much was they?
75 cents.
It is. That's what I'm talking about. Real drills, man. Come on, Jack. They can't fuck with this right here. This episode is can't be fucked with. This is another episode of us doing what we do best. We want to be around trappers doing trapping shit. You get what I mean? This real trap shit right here. Throw that shit away.
Brian, what up? Y'all been bro. You need a car?
We out. See that silver piece right there? It did get cold though. You felt it cold? See all the little pieces that they go right there. It's like a little hanger. Yeah, absolutely. Look, make sure you like, you comment, subscribe. If you're looking to start a business, you need some ideas, hit us up. We legal trapping all day. This right here is legal trapping at its best. We found a location that had machines for us. We didn't have to purchase these. We had to go pick these up. And we got to do what we do with them, which is trap them out. Once we get done trapping them out, they're going to look brand new. And we getting them shipped, we getting them sold. Make sure you're here for the next load. Don't wait on it. Come get you one.